With the update 2.5 now, it's easier than ever to generate QR codes in Affinity Publisher. Now we got a native tool. So simply head to the left to all of your shapes. And at the very bottom of this list, you should be able to see QR code tool. Select that. Then at the top, you can modify what kind of QR code you want to generate by clicking on Data. By default, it's URL, Uniform Resource Locator, a link, a website address. But you can also set this up to be a phone number, email, or just plain text. So there are several options for us to choose from, but I believe most of us just need a simple URL. So click that URL as the type, then clear the address and paste your own website here, the one that should be on the QR code. And here it is. I got youtube.com, I click OK, and now you click and draw, like you draw any other shape. You can easily manipulate colors. So go outline, I don't need any outline, and for the main color I can put some dark blue or any other color you want from the color wheel. Keep in mind, if you are working on printables, it's recommended to make QR codes at least 2 centimeters high. Nowadays, many people make them even smaller, but it's still in the official documentation for QR codes. They should be 2 centimeters in size. So whatever it's smaller, you got a risk that they will be not read correctly. Alright, so that's how you can generate QR codes directly in Affinity Publisher. I hope this very short tutorial was helpful. Let's watch the next lesson to learn more.